Fruit cocktail is a selection of 5 types of fruit which have been diced and mixed together in the can. The fruits used in fruit cocktail are yellow peaches, diced pears, pineapple, seedless grapes, and 3 or 4 red maraschino cherries. The can is topped up with a sweetened syrup to make a delicious dessert which contains all the natural goodness of fruit. The grapes are sent from the vineyards to the canning factory in large wooden fruit bins. They are moved to a rotating drum where the grape berries will be separated from the stalks. As the berries fall through to the bottom of the drum, they are shaken off the stalk and fall through the holes in the drum. Yellow peaches are washed and cleaned as they are brought to the production line. They are conveyed to the canning factory and are inspected to remove leaves and damaged fruit. Thousands of peaches move towards the pitting machines where they are cut in half and the pips are removed. As the peach halves pass along the production line, the pips are removed and the peaches pass through a tunnel where the skin is removed. They are washed and checked for quality and moved to the dicing machine where they are cut into small square shapes. Pears are cored and cut in half on these fascinating machines. The pear halves are cleaned and passed through the dicing machine and move along toward the canning line. Pineapples are not grown in the region. The pineapple pieces are brought to the factory already diced and ready to be canned. The canning of the fruit cocktail ingredients is fascinating. Pears, peaches, grapes, and pineapple pieces are dropped into rotating stainless steel hoppers. As the cans move through the filling machines, they each receive a predetermined amount of fruit. First, they receive the pineapple pieces. Next, the can receives its allocation of grapes. This is followed by a portion of pears, with peaches filling up the can. And finally, 3 or 4 maraschino cherries are placed on top of the fruit by hand. Maraschino cherries are not grown in South Africa and are imported from Italy especially for this purpose. As the cans move along the line, they are filled with a syrup that's made from mixing sugar with water and moved into the sealing machine, where the lid is seamed onto the can, creating a strong, airtight joint. The cans move into large pressure cookers, where steam is used to cook the fruit and to kill all bacteria inside the can. In this way, canned fruit can last for decades while the can is sealed and still be fresh when the can is opened. The cans move to the stacking machines where they are put onto pallets and moved to the storage warehouses, stacked in huge piles to await being sent out to the shops. When an order for fruit cocktail comes in from a distributor, the cans are taken to the labeling machines and labels are attached. There are many ways to use fruit cocktail as a dessert, and thanks to the process of canning, this tasty product is available to us throughout the year.